Hi, you're watching Yoga Lattes with Rashmi. Today we're going to do some dynamic stretches that will take your workout to another level and will get a little bit of cardio to your stretching. So let's start. You're going to come on your fours, on your hands and your knees. Ensure that your palms are under your shoulders, your knees are under your hips. As you inhale, slowly look up and arch your spine. As you exhale, touch your chin to your chest, lifting your spine up. Come back to the center. You're going to tilt your spine to the side now, looking at your hip. Turn your head. You'll make a C curve. Inhale, come center. Exhale to the side. Inhale, center. Keep going. Inhale, looking up, arching your spine. Exhale, pulling up. Come back to the center. Tilt to the side. As you exhale, inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Inhale up. Exhale down. Come center. Inhale to the side. Exhale. Keep going. Inhaling and looking up. Exhaling and coming down. Inhaling to the center. Exhaling side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. We'll do 2 more times. And one last time. Slowly walk your hands towards your knees. And stretch your right leg out to the side. You're going to place your right hand on your right leg. As you inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale, drop down to the side. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Feel this working on your sides. Inhale. Exhale. You'll also feel this work on your hamstrings when you stretch to the side and your inner thighs. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more times. One last time. Okay, get your hand down. Join your leg back. Let's do it on the other side. Slowly inhale, stretch. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Ensure that you're looking at your hands when you stretch to the side. Do it 2 more times. And let's come into sitting. You're going to stretch both your legs out. As you inhale, raise your hands up. As you exhale, try and bend as low as you can go. Inhale, we'll come back up. Now you're going to bend your left knee. Place your left palm on the floor behind you and lift up. So if you see my position, my left knee is on the floor, my right leg is straight, my right hand is off. And I come down. Raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale up. Lift up once again and stretch. Come back down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And lift up. Stretch. Slowly come down. Inhale. Exhale. Bend down. Inhale up. And lift up. We'll just slow it down a little bit so that you're not confused. You're going to bend forward. Raise your hands up. Place your left knee on the floor and straighten your right leg and lift up. So you're on your left knee. My right hand is off the floor and I'm pushing my abdomen up to the side. You're going to slowly come down. Inhale, raise your hands up, straighten both your legs and bend forward once again. Inhale, come up. Bend your right knee now. and lift up and stretch. Slowly come down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up and lift up and down and up. You can do this at any pace that you feel comfortable to do it at. As long as you're stretching to your maximum while you're doing this. As you exhale down, lift up. Stretch. One last time. Inhale, lift up and stretch. Slowly come down, hands up, hands down. Inhale up and lift up. Slowly come down. One last time, and we'll just stay there and hold it for a second. You already feel like you have some cardio going on, right? So you're going to get your palms on the floor, lift your knees up and come into the downward dog pose. While you're in the downward dog pose, try and push your heels down and stretch. You're going to slowly start pushing your hips down and you're going to come up. So as you exhale, you're pushing down. As you inhale, you come up. This will help you to build a little bit of core strength and also will stretch your body out. Exhale down. Inhale up. Keep going, don't stop. Do it just 2 more times. Now get your right leg forward. If you're not able to get your right leg all the way forward, and if this is where it comes up to, you place your hand on your leg, push it forward and come here. What we're going to do is, you're going to take your right leg up and raise it to the back. So you stretch up and then you're going to get your right leg forward once again. Yeah? Inhale and stretch. Exhale and back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, back. Inhale, stretch. Now get your leg forward and place your head down on the floor. So while you're in this position, your right heel will be in contact with your left hip bone and you're not opening out sideways, you're sitting on your leg. Now slowly come back up, come back onto your fours. Get your left leg forward now. Again, if you can't get your leg all the way forward, you can use your hand. So you're going to raise your leg all the way up, stretch and get your leg forward. Once again, raise your leg up and get your leg forward and up, forward. One last time, up and coming with your heel close to your hip bone. Bend down and stay there. So these are simple dynamic stretches that will work on improving your flexibility and strength and get a little bit of cardio into your workout. If you have any special requests or suggestions or any videos that you would like to see, please write in and let us know and we'll definitely work on it. And also like, share and subscribe. You're watching Yoga Lattes with Rashmi. I'll see you in my next video.